Hey there, welcome back to Say It Right. Today's word is one that confuses a lot of people. Niche. Is it niche or niche? Let's settle this once and for all. So, how do you say it? The most common pronunciation is niche. Rhymes with sheesh. But in American English, some people also say niche, rhyming with ditch. Both are correct, but niche is more common worldwide. Now say it with me, niche. One more time, niche. Great job. So, what does niche mean? A niche is a small, special place where something fits perfectly. For example, a niche in the wall is a small space for a decoration, like a vase. If you love making funny videos, that could be your niche on YouTube. Did you know niche comes from the French word nicher, meaning to nest? That makes sense because a niche is like a perfect little spot for something. Now let's talk about spelling. It's spelled N-I-C-H-E. Some people might overthink it, but it's just niche. Let's say it one last time together. Niche. You got it? Thanks for watching Say It Right. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.